Do you want to make $10,000 a month but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you 3 smart ways to reach that goal. No get-rich-quick schemes, just real strategies that work. Method 1. High-ticket freelancing. First up, high-ticket freelancing. If you have skills like copywriting, video editing, coding, or consulting, you can land premium clients who pay $2,000, $5,000 per project. Here's how. Build a strong portfolio on platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn. Network with business owners who need your service. Offer a done-for-you package that saves clients time and effort. Method 2. Selling digital products. Next, let's talk about passive income selling digital products. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, or templates, digital products can generate thousands in sales without ongoing effort. Identify a problem people are willing to pay to solve. Create a valuable product, like an AI course or a fitness guide. Sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Shopify, or your own website. Method 3. YouTube automation. Finally, YouTube automation, making money without showing your face. Pick a trending niche, like finance, luxury, or motivation. Outsource video scripting, voiceovers, and editing. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. With the right strategy, you can scale this into a money. There you have it, 3 smart ways to hit $10,000 a month. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips.